Today I'm going to show you exactly how to sign into your Steam account in 2026, whether you want the fastest QR code login, the standard username and password method, or the browser sign-in option. This is a super simple tutorial, but I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can get into Steam quickly and safely, even if you're using Steam Guard or a shared computer. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, if you want to sign in on the Steam desktop app, open Steam on your PC and wait for the login screen to load. You'll usually see a few different ways to get into your account. The fastest option is the QR code method, and if you already have the Steam mobile app installed on your phone, this is the easiest way to sign in. On your phone, open the Steam app, go to the Steam Guard section and tap the QR scanner. Then point your camera at the QR code shown on your computer screen. As soon as Steam recognizes it, you'll be signed in instantly without needing to type your password. That makes it perfect if you want a faster, passwordless login experience. If you don't want to use the QR code or you don't have the mobile app ready, you can sign in manually instead. Just type in your Steam account name, which is your actual login ID, not your profile display name, and then enter your password. After that, click the sign in button. If you have Steam Guard enabled, which is a very important security feature, Steam may ask you for an extra verification step. That could be a 5-character code sent to your email, or it could be a confirmation prompt in the Steam mobile app. If you get that message, simply check your email or approve the login on your phone, then you'll be taken straight into your account. Now, if you prefer to sign into Steam using a web browser, the process is just as easy. Open your browser and go to store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the top right corner and click it. From there, Steam will give you the same login options you'd see in the app. You can scan the QR code with your phone for a quick sign-in, or you can enter your account name and password manually. If Steam Guard is enabled, complete the extra verification step the same way as before. One really important tip, especially if you're signing in on a public or shared computer, is to make sure you uncheck the Remember Me box before logging in. That helps protect your account so your session doesn't stay open after you close the browser. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference for your privacy and account security. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you use the desktop client, the mobile QR scan, or the web browser method, signing into Steam is quick once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helped you get logged in, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.